Welcome back all of you to our online platform, that is our school's YouTube channel. So again we are ready with today's video. This video is for class 9th and the subject is maths, and we are continuing the same chapter, that is chapter number 2, and the name of the chapter is polynomials. So already we have discussed the questions given in the exercise up to exercise 2.4. So today we will start the exercise 2.5, and the first question in exercise 2.5 is we are supposed to find the values. So first one is x plus 4 into x plus 10. So we are having the identity, that is p plus a into p plus b. Suppose the numbers are given in this form, in which the first the variable is same and the second one is different. So the answer will be p square plus a plus b into p plus a b, that we are supposed to use to solve this question. So in this question, in place of p there is x, and in place of a there is 4, and here in place of b there is 10. So the answer will be, here we are writing the p square because p is the same. So here we will write x square plus sum of the numbers given here 4 plus 10 into x plus 4 into 10, that will be the answer. So the answer will be x square plus 10 plus 4, 14x plus 4 times 40. We can verify that answer by multiplying the whole bracket by, first of all, by x and then by 4, and then we can collect the like terms. So this is the identity we are supposed to use, that is p plus a into p plus b is equals to p square plus a plus b into p plus ab. So we will use the same identity in the next question as well. And the next question is, next question means the next part. So the next part is x plus 8 and x minus 10. Again the x is same, so the answer will be x square plus 8, and here this is minus, so 8 minus 10 into x plus 8 into minus 10. So the answer will be x square 8 minus 10, that is minus 2x, and plus minus 8 times 80. Again we have used the same thing. If plus is there, then there will be plus. If minus is there, there will be minus. So this was the second part. Now we will see the third part as well, which is based on this identity only. Third part is 3x plus 4 into 3x minus 5, 3x minus 5. So in this, if we compare, in place of p there is 3x, so 3x whole square plus 4 minus 5 into a plus b into p. Here in place of p there is 3x, so we will write 3x plus 4 into minus 5. So the answer will be 3x whole square, 9x square, that will be minus 1 into 3x plus minus 4 5 20. So the answer will be 9x square minus 3x minus 20. So we have done the part third as well. Now we will see the part fourth. fourth and fifth we are supposed to use the different identities. Question number 4, y square plus 3 by 2 and y square minus 3 by 2, that is the question, and we know the identity a plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. So here the same terms are there, y square 3 by 2 3 by 2, but in one bracket it is plus, in the second bracket it is minus. So the answer will be y square whole square minus 3 by 2 whole square, means y square whole square means y raised to power 4 minus 3 3 9 and 2 2 ja 4. This is the answer of this part. At the same time, the last one is again same, 3 minus 2x into 3 plus 2x. So that is the same identity we are supposed to use, a into b, a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. So the answer will be 3 square minus 2x whole square, means 3 square means 9 minus 2x whole square means 4x square. So the answer will be 9 minus 4x square. In this way we have completed question number 1. Now we will proceed towards the question number 2. So question number 2 is, in question number 2 we have to evaluate. And first one is 103 multiply by 107. We are not supposed to multiply, we are supposed to use the identity. So to use the identity we will split these two numbers into two brackets. 103 we can write 100 plus 3, 107 we can split up 100 plus 7 so that the first number is same. So here what we have to do, we know that x plus a into x plus b will be equal to again the same, x square plus a plus b into x plus a b. So the answer of that will be 100 square plus a plus b means 3 plus 7 into x is here 100 plus ab means 3 into 7. So that will be 100 square means 10,000 plus 10 into 100 plus 21, again we can write 10,000 plus that is 1000 plus 21, 10,000 11,000 21 is the answer. So we have already calculated 103 multiplied by 107 without actually multiplying. We have used the identities to solve this question. So the same thing we will do in question number 2. In the second part it is given 95 into 96. 95 into 96. So again we will prepare the two brackets, in between there is a sign of multiplication. So there is a sign of multiplication. 95 we can write 100 minus 5, 96 we can write 100 minus 4. So again we are supposed to use the same identity, x minus a into x minus b, that will be equals to x square plus that is minus a plus b into x and that is plus AB. Here A is 5 and B is 4. So the answer will be x square means 100 square minus A plus B into x, 5 plus 4 into x, that is 100 plus 5 into 4. So that will be 10,000 minus 9 into 100, 900 plus 20. So that will be 10,000 minus 900 will be 9,100 plus 20, that is 9,120 is the answer of this question. So at the same time, the next question is there, in which we are supposed to use the different identity. That is the third part, that is 104 multiply by 96. Again we will prepare the brackets there, in between the sign of multiplication will be there. 104 will be 100 plus 4, 96 will be 100 minus 4, and we know the identity, that is A plus B into A minus B, that is A square minus B square. Here A is 100 and B is 4. So the answer will be 100 square minus 4 square. 100 square is 10,000 minus 4 square is 16. If we subtract, so 10 minus 6, that is 4, 9 minus 1, that is 8, and that will be 9, and that will be 9, that will be the answer. So like this you can proceed the exercise. I hope that you have understood, and you will try to solve each and every question we have solved here. You are supposed to solve by yourself. If you face any kind of problem, then you are supposed to watch the video again and again, and if you are having any doubts after watching the videos as well, then you can message us or you can call us. We will try to rectify your doubts so that you can easily proceed the questions given in your textbook. At the same time, after completing the question, you are supposed to take the pic of that and you are supposed to upload on the school's WhatsApp number. One more important thing is there, you are supposed to register your attendance by mentioning your name with class in the comment box, so that we should know that how many students are watching the school's videos and who are those students who are watching the videos, because we can see the views only, we are not seeing the name. We can see your name when you mention your name with class in the comment box of that very video. So thank you very much.